A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, let us take a look on a Mutare man who was shot by the police and he died of a gun wound. So this is Admire Tawanda Sibanda, who is 40 years old. And this is what happened in Mutare on the 16th of October 2024. So according to Crime Watch, they say ZRP confirmed the arrest of Philemon Matiashe, 32, and Tawanda Jafanza, 33, Owen Wenjere, 29, for smuggling second-hand clothes, and the death of Admire Tawanda Sibanda, 40, during a shootout incident with police officers in Mutare on 16th October 2024 at around 5:30 hours. So a police crack team on an anti-smuggling operation acted on received information and intercepted a man-rigid truck, registration number AFG 7429 along Vumba Road. After Prince of Wales 10 of Mutare, the truck was loaded with smuggled second-hand clothes and was being escorted by two vehicles. This is what is very important at this point in time. This is the most important information right here. So this truck, what I have highlighted, is key. What was being smuggled? Mabhero. Ndo akonzeresa nyakanyaka ine nyonga. And the story continues. The team flagged down the truck, but the driver sped off. Another Toyota Ranex vehicle, registration number AFH 8368, blocked the way, and subsequently Admire Tawanda Sibanda pulled out a pistol and fired towards the police, resulting in a shootout. Then Admire Tawanda Sibanda was shot on the neck and succumbed to the injuries on the way to the hospital. So this is what they say. The police vehicle, they are saying that it was shot with 2 bullets on the front left fender, and then this team right here was then arrested, and 104 bales of second-hand shoes and 138 bales of second-hand clothes were recovered. So this is something which is very important. It's a good job for the police to arrest the smugglers, but I believe that more efforts must be put to stop the people who are smuggling gold out of Zimbabwe. MuZimbabwe hatina industry yezvipfeko yatiri kuedza kuprotecta. Why? Hembe nyowani chaidzo dziri kusmagliwa dzichipindwa nadzo muno muZimbabwe. Nyowani dziri kutengeswa mumashopu meso. Vakaenda vachinotsvaga kuti vanhu vavo vakabhadhara duty here. Vazhinji vacho havasi kubhadhara duty. Vari kupinza hembe nyowani dziri kutengeswa mumashopu maHarare. Nobody is talking about those issues. So the issue yeMabhero, vanhu vari kurarama nehembe dzeMabhero because ndo dziri affordable. I don't afford to buy a shirt $10, but ndoenda paBhero ndonitenga masheti angu $10, ndonitenga masheti angu 9 or 7, 8, 9, 10 or 10 masheti. Ndakutopfeka njienda kubasa nchichinja. That is the life yevanhu vemuZimbabwe. So for me, if they identified the vehicles, Mark X in a registration number yakati, track in registration number yakati, from Mutare, crack team yanga isingafaniri kumbotambura zvachose netrack. Track ravo, there was no need to stoitera track ravo kunosvika patoll gate redu reparusapero. Track richingonosvika patoll gate, make sure kuti mune track riri pamberi petrack iroro tsitsiriri, rimwe track kumashure tsitsiriri, moto misa track renyu motobva masunga vanhu venyu. That was not going to result in any shoot out of any sort. It was very easy. I have seen our police doing it. Pane track yakangosvika yanga yakazara vanhu ichingonosvika patoll gate. Pachibva patosvika pane vanhu vari heavily armed vakatomira patoll gate. Richingosvika track ndokubva rangonzi rakatongosvika, richingosvika rakabva ratongodhivhetwa richomiswa paside. Munhu wese achitonzi gara pasi. Vakomana vachitopinda mutrack vachiti munhu uchibuda mutrack wairatidza ID yako. Nembwa dzaitoripo. ID id kusvika munhu avaida akaita the last person kubuda, ndobva vatomubata munhu wavo, ndobva vamutakura, ndobva vamuenda. Hapana chimwe chakamboshandiswa kana kuti the lead to this syndicate. But the problem is that we are measuring the minor. Gold is being smuggled. 138 Mabhero ebhutsu ne104 Mabhero ebhutsu nehembe zviri worth how much? Worth how much? Maybe runs $250 bhero rimwe chete. You calculate, you would understand kuti mari yacho haizi mari hombestereki. But ukanotarisa kuti mari iri kurasikirwa nenyika from gold smuggling, diamond smuggling, minerals being smuggled out of Zimbabwe, trucks by trucks, those people. It's a problem. So our police must be effective. Our police must target key issues which are going to make our nation better. We want to see real criminals behind bars, but we are seeing Amos Chibaya, we are seeing Jameson Timba. These are the people who are behind bars, but the people who are smuggling our minerals are walking scot-free. So lastly, before I end this program, if this man indeed shot at the police, then it was necessary for them to react and like that. We don't want unlawlessness. But the major question is, how are they having these guns? If he can move border to border from Mozambique to Zimbabwe, Mabhero, chii chinovatadzisa kupinza pfuti vanava? That is a major concern we must have. They must not be caught in the cities or in Zimbabwe. They must be intercepted at the points of entry. Because kana vanhu vapinza rimwe bhero rine pfutika, havarirambi riri murori, rinotosvika roburutswa roiswa somewhere, rotodivhetwa route. That is the problem. And this is the reason why we have so many armed robberies happening in Zimbabwe. It's because our borders are 100% porous. 100% porous. Hazvimbonetse, unozati vanhu mafambiro avanoita between Zimbabwe, Mutare and Mozambique, South Africa, Beitbridge and Messina, Plumtree and Botswana. If you look at how they move freely using other shoddy avenues, you ask questions with where are we going as a nation? Where are we going as a nation? So we need to have a country which is going to maintain its borders. Other countries are working to put surveillance on their borders. Isusu tiri kuitei as a country. That is very important. So this is the report. A man from Mutare, a smuggler from Mutare, or a ringleader of a smuggling syndicate in Mutare, Admire Tawandasbanda, was shot by the police during a shootout incident, and also other 3 people were arrested. So this is what happened. A very sad situation, and we hope and believe that our police officers will be given more power and will be given full mandate to even stop smuggling being done by top politicians. This is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.